Hello everyone, and welcome to my channel reviews first. Are you looking for the top 5 best 3-channel dash cams in 2026? Here are my full reviews of the top 5 best 3-channel dash cams in 2026. So before starting this video, please like this video and subscribe to this channel for our future updates. Thank you. Number 1. The REDTIGER 530 degrees Dashcam 3-channel system is a powerful all-in-one solution designed to enhance your driving safety and peace of mind. Featuring a triple camera setup, it simultaneously records a front, interior, and rear views in stunning clarity with resolutions of 2.5K plus 2.5K plus 1080p. This wide coverage ensures that every angle around your vehicle is captured, making it ideal for daily commuting, rideshare drivers, and long road trips. Equipped with advanced IR night vision, the interior camera performs exceptionally well in low-light conditions, clearly capturing details even in complete darkness. The responsive touchscreen allows for easy navigation, quick playback, and hassle-free settings adjustment. The included 128GB memory card provides ample storage, so you can record longer without worrying about running out of space. With loop recording and reliable performance, this dashcam ensures critical footage is always when needed. Durable, efficient, and user-friendly, it's a smart investment for modern drivers. Number 2. The Vantrue new N4S 3-channel dashcam is a powerful all-in-one solution designed to provide complete protection and clarity on the road. Featuring a triple-channel recording system, it captures the front in stunning 2.7K resolution while simultaneously recording the rear and interior in crisp 1440p, ensuring no detail goes unnoticed. Whether you're commuting daily or driving long distances, this dashcam offers comprehensive coverage for maximum peace of mind. Equipped with advanced PlatePix technology, the N4S enhances license plate readability, even in challenging lighting conditions. Its STARVIS 2 night vision delivers exceptional low-light performance, making nighttime driving footage clearer and more reliable. The wide-angle lenses reduce blind spots, capturing more of the road and surroundings. With built-in loop recording, G-sensor emergency lock, and optional parking mode, the Vantrue N4S ensures critical moments are always. Its sleek design fits seamlessly into any vehicle, making it a smart, dependable choice for modern drivers. Number 3. The Pelsee 4K 3-channel dashcam is a powerful and reliable solution for complete on-road protection. Designed to capture every angle, it features a front camera in stunning 4K resolution along with dual 1080p cameras for the rear and interior. This ensures crystal clear footage whether you're driving during the day or at night. Equipped with built-in Wi-Fi and a dedicated mobile app, this dashcam allows you to easily view, download, and share recordings directly from your smartphone. The included 64GB memory card means you can start recording right out of the box without any additional setup. Its smart driving features enhance safety by continuously monitoring your surroundings, while loop recording and G-sensor technology ensure important footage is securely saved in case of sudden impacts. The interior camera is especially useful for rideshare drivers or families who want added visibility inside the vehicle. Compact, efficient, and easy to install, the Pelsee 3-channel dashcam is an excellent choice for modern drivers. Number 4. The AZDOME M553CH dashcam is a powerful all-in-one solution designed to deliver complete protection for your vehicle. Featuring ultra-clear 4K front recording, along with interior and rear cameras, it captures every detail from multiple angles. The 3.19-inch display provides easy navigation and real-time viewing, ensuring a user-friendly experience. Equipped with advanced IR night vision, the interior camera records clear footage even in low-light conditions, making it ideal for rideshare drivers and nighttime travel. The 24-hour parking mode adds an extra layer of security by monitoring your car when it's parked, automatically recording any unusual activity. Built-in GPS accurately tracks your driving route, speed, and location, while Wi-Fi connectivity allows you to quickly access and share footage through your smartphone. The AZDOME M550 is engineered for reliability, combining cutting-edge technology with practical features to give drivers peace of mind on every journey. It's a smart investment in safety, security, and convenience for modern drivers. Number 5. The REDTIGER F17 4K 3-channel dashcam is a powerful all-in-one solution designed to provide complete protection and clarity for every drive. Featuring advanced STARVIS 2 IMX675 HDR technology, it delivers stunning 4K resolution for the front camera, along with dual 1080p recording for both the interior and rear views. This triple-channel setup ensures that every angle of your vehicle is covered day or night. Equipped with infrared IR night vision, the interior camera captures clear footage even in low-light conditions, making it ideal for rideshare drivers and nighttime travel. The included 64 GB card offers convenient storage right out of the box, while loop recording ensures continuous coverage without interruptions. With built-in 5.8 GHz Wi-Fi, users can quickly transfer videos to their smartphones for easy playback and sharing. The integrated GPS system accurately tracks driving routes and speed data, adding an extra layer of evidence when needed. Compact, reliable, and feature-rich, the REDTIGER F17 enhances safety and peace of mind on the road.